First of all, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Here's a quick breakdown on how to get the X Pro working. So after you turn it on, you'll notice the lights are blinking. Take the remote, up, down. At this point, they're synced. To calibrate, that's how you would do it. Now to arm the drone, you would go like this, and the motors would start spinning like this. To turn it off, you would go like this. Once you arm it, if you were to press up, it would lift off. You can also take off pressing the lift off button, but just note that when you do this, the drone shoots up. A trick I use is I hold it in my hand at the bottom of the drone like this. Then I press the takeoff button and it will go up. Press down throttle until it slows down and then continue holding it. And then at this point, you can get a good feel. As you see, it's drifting a little forward. So in order to balance it, you would press this to tilt it back. I'm gonna turn it off so you can hear me. But while it's in your hands, you can slightly let it go, and then you'll see which direction it's drifting to. If it's drifting to the left, you would press this button a few times to tilt it the opposite way. If it's tilting forward, you would press back a few times while you're holding it in your hands. This way you can balance the drone to make it nice and stable. To adjust the camera, you would hold this and then press up or down, and as you can see, the camera moves. And you can do this while the drone's in flight. Also, please note, the drone has 3 speed modes. It'll start in speed mode 1. To change the speed, you press this. This takes it to 2, and speed mode 3. In speed mode 1, it barely moves. It's more for taking photos. Speed mode 2 or 3, you get a little more speed and power. And that's pretty much it.